On February 16, 2024, the FDA approved Amtagvi, or lifileucel, marking a breakthrough in cancer treatment. This is the first cellular therapy for solid tumors like advanced melanoma, targeting patients who failed PD-1 inhibitors and BRAF/MEK therapies if applicable. Unlike engineered CAR T cells for blood cancers, lifileucel uses your own tumor-infiltrating lymphocytes, TILs, to attack diverse tumor antigens. Clinical trials show a 31.5% response rate, with many responses lasting years, and a 5-year survival of nearly 20%, far better than the historical 7-month median. But it's intense, with risks like severe infections and requiring specialized centers. Melanoma treatment has evolved with targeted therapies for BRAF mutations and immune checkpoint inhibitors like PD-1 blockers, turning some cases curable. But many patients develop resistance, primary or acquired, due to lost antigen presentation or immunosuppressive environments. Post-ICI, options like chemo offer only 4 to 10% responses and 6 to 7 month survival. Lifileucel fills this gap by delivering expanded tumor-reactive T cells directly, bypassing the need for in-body activation. Lifileucel is polyclonal, meaning it deploys billions of your own CD4 and CD8 T cells from the tumor, targeting multiple neoantigens from melanoma's high mutational burden. This prevents escape, unlike single-target therapies. Key to success: stem-like T cells with markers like TCF7 for persistence and metabolic fitness for survival in harsh tumors. The Gen 2 process starts with tumor resection, shipped to a central lab. Fragments are cultured with IL-2 for 11 days, then rapidly expanded another 11 days to billions of cells. Cryopreserved for flexibility, the vein-to-vein time is about 32 days. Future Gen 3 shortens to 16 days for more potent, less exhausted cells. In the C-144-01 trial with 153 heavily pretreated patients, ORR was 31%, almost 6% complete response, and 25% partial response. Median response duration, 36.5 months, with 31% ongoing at 5 years. Median overall survival was almost 14 months, while the 5-year overall survival was a little greater than 19%. It was also shown to be effective across subgroups like PD-1 refractory or PD-L1 negative. Treatment involves lymphodepletion chemo, cell infusion, and high-dose IL-2 for expansion, done inpatient at authorized centers. Boxed warnings for mortality, cytopenias, infections, and IL-2 toxicities like capillary leak. Most severe events in first 2 weeks, resolving afterward with no long-term signals. Amtagvi revolutionizes solid tumor care, offering cures where none existed. At $515,000 plus care costs, it's for select patients at over 50 US. Centers expanding globally. Ongoing trials like Tilvance 301 could move it frontline, paving the way for TILs in other cancers.